You can always sing Christmas songs.
Walking in the winter wonderland.
Very graceful. Go. See if I can do it. Waving the tree, and I feel like if I like lift one foot up, I'm gonna fall. But you do what you gotta do. All right, put the CG forward, and off we go. But hopefully it is. We'll
Hopefully it doesn't rip.
I'll be pulling you a little bit. And you should do it.
Okay.
All right.
Right. Keep the front wheels straight.
Yeah, keep them straight, so it makes it easy for me.
Ready.
Oh. We need to guard the road to
Yeah.
make sure that if people are coming, they slow down because otherwise they're gonna pile.
Kaya, you go further.
Okay, go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready.
Okay, go.
可以啊，你要走远一点哦，小心哦。哦。
Alex,
Yeah.
please get out of the car. Get out of this.
Yeah, you get out of.
Vehicles.
Yeah.
Alex, stand where I can see you.
Yeah，可以啊，你也是，再走远一点。哦。Shit！ Oh no 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 no！
Oh my god.
There's a lot of ice in the road.
Oh my god, I got icy.
No, please.
What's your daughter's name?
Kaya.
Kaya, stand there and watch the traffic, okay? Make sure nobody comes.
再远一点，再远一点。
Where are the freaking rangers?
爸爸现在没有办法。You need to back. You need to back. No.
Wow. That's icy.
And it's getting dark. Great.
Yeah. Oh, some Kaya.
So here's our current situation. We are just up the hill stopping cars way in advance of the pile up in the front because this is basically pure ice by now. And if the cars don't stop in advance, they're just gonna pile up at the bottom. So right now there's already a pile up of 5 cars. And I really hope the rangers are here. And I think our only chance for all of us is the snow truck, the one that clears the road, because those cars have the biggest tires. So here's an update. There's a pile up of about, I would say, 20 cars. And I'm just standing out here warning people to slow down because, yeah, this is pure ice and just folks just can't even stop here. So, yeah, that's what's up. A ranger just passed by. But on the other hand, this is like the most beautiful sight I've ever seen. So I pretty much look like a snowman by now. And it's getting really cold. I don't even know what the temperature is. But it's also getting dark. It's about 15 minutes to sunset. Can you tell my face is frozen? Anyway, just waiting for my husband to show up. And then we're probably gonna wait in this massive line up here. It's okay. Keeping the spirits up. There's 3 rangers ahead of us. I'm sure they know what to do. Hopefully. So here's our little update. There's about 30 cars up there. Nobody knows what's going on at the scene. But we got our chains on. Yeah. We're making a U-turn.
We're gonna slowly make our way down.
And we're gonna take a different road. So thanks to the chains that we had in our back that we had to purchase at the entrance to Yosemite, we could get out, we would make a U-turn, and we're now taking a different road. So was that you? Right here? Oh. So thank you, State of California, for making even 4x4s carry chains. All's well that ends well, right? We're going home towards in a different route, right?
Yeah, let's try to get out of here first.
Yeah, we're still like in the depth of Yosemite.